Hi, in today's video we're going to do some great facial tapping for the neck and the head area to really help boost collagen for tighter skin and also to help with elastin within the skin. Now, first things first, I like to start off with clean skin, and I'm using it again as always, a little bit of facial oil, just so we have got a bit of slip and glide if you like. If you have a face cream or something you particularly like, whatever you apply to your face and your neck area is going to penetrate in even better and deeper. So it's always a good idea to apply something. Apart from that, you really don't want to be dragging and pulling at the skin. So first of all, applying the facial oil all to the facial area and the neck. Right, I'm just going to tie my hair back for this. So first of all, we're going to start on the neck area, and we're just going to do a little bit of lymphatic drainage just to get everything ready. And what we have here is our SEM muscle. So we're just going to take our hand fairly flat, and we're going to tap from the top of the ear all along this muscle down the side of the neck down to the collarbone. And this is a fairly lightish tap, working all the way down, and then on the other side. Hair everywhere. And then where our collarbone is, just above, we have some indentations, and I just like to give those a few gentle presses. And then with our fingers, working in an upwards motion along the neck towards the jawline. Again, we have plenty, we have very fine skin here, on the neck. So you want to be really quite fine and delicate with this touch. And if you have any long nails, you can always use the back of your fingers as well. You don't want to be digging in. All the way up. And then I'm just going to tap by the chin and all the way along. And under the chin with the back of the fingers, all along to the ears. Again, we have plenty of lymph nodes here, so again, getting everything moving along, hoping ridding all that waste and toxin within the lymph. And then there's a nice little acupressure point here, so a little bit of tapping just on the chin area, and then again all the way along. Lower part of the face, and then where our lips are, our mouth just above, again, great acupressure point, gentle tapping. And then another great acupressure point is between the nose and the mouth, just here. And again, if you just give that a bit of a tap. And then all the way along the lower part of the face, heading in an outwards motion towards the ears. And then we're going to blow out our cheeks, and we're going to literally just gently tap our lips. And release. And now we're going to do a bit of tapping on our cheeks. So again, puffing out the cheeks and tapping with our fingers all along the cheek area. And release. And then where our nostrils are, another great acupressure point. If you can just gently tap that, this is where those potential nasal labial folds and smile lines can sort of begin. So you want to release any tension within this area. And then tapping all under the cheekbone towards the ears. Now, when it comes to the eye area, the skin around the eyes is very fine and delicate. So I'm going to use my ring finger, and I'm just tapping between the eyes first. Again, great acupressure point. This will also calm down the nervous system. And then just gently work your way down, very light and gentle, to where the bone under the eye is. And then tapping along. all the way to the temples. This will also help if you have any puffiness within the eye and sort of under the eyes and eye bags, as again we're moving toxins and waste in this area. And it's very lightly under the eyebrow. Very light, delicate touch here. And then on the temples. Sorry, the light's a bit funny today. I think it's winter light, if you like. It's very different today. And then we're again tapping just between the eyebrows and then tapping in an upwards motion, really helping reduce any stress within the forehead area where we tend to hold quite a lot of stress, and then you end up with all those lines on the forehead. So this will really help relax and calm the nervous system. And again, whatever product you've placed is going to penetrate in even better and deeper. And then just tapping all the way down to the top of the ear. And then not forgetting the head. Again, we hold a lot of tension in the head area as well, and where the hair is, particularly the top of the crown. And then just want to sort of, I know it's going to mess the hair up, but tap all along the head as well, releasing any tightness with any fascia there. Not forgetting the nape of the neck as well. And then just tapping where the ears are here, just the bottom of the ear, very gently in an upwards motion towards the top of the ear, and then down to the bottom of the ear. Again, we have plenty of lymph nodes in this area. Then just working down from the top of the ear and then to the back of the ear. And then with the fingers just gently tapping all along the occipital bone, so bottom of the head, top of the neck. And then coming all the way down again to the SEM muscle, coming all the way back down to our beginning kind of point, if you like. So again, just gently tapping down the big SEM muscle either side of the neck towards that collarbone. And then from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, we have some indentations. And again, if you just give those a few gentle taps. And then if you can, from the collarbone, bottom of the collarbone, if you can just tap all the way from the top of the collarbone towards your armpit. And on the other side. And then just on the shoulders, again, we tend to hunch our shoulders and get a lot of tension within the shoulders and the neck area. And then coming back to the collarbone, a few gentle taps, and this will release all the toxins and waste we've done. We've actually moved within tapping all along the facial, neck and head area. So this will also help with improved collagen, as I've said before, stimulate the collagen, elastin, and will help release any toxins and waste within the lymph. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing and comment down below and a thumbs up. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.